Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. India says it has contained Nipah virus outbreak as some Asian countries ramp up health screenings. Indian authorities have reported 2 cases of Nipah virus infection in the eastern state of West Bengal. The Health Ministry stated that all identified contacts have been quarantined and tested, with 196 contacts traced and tested negative. Nipah is a deadly zoonotic virus spread through fruit bats, pigs, and human-to-human contact, with no available vaccine and a high fatality rate of 40 to 75%. Several Asian countries, including Indonesia, Thailand, Myanmar, and Vietnam, have introduced or reinforced health screenings and surveillance measures at airports for travelers arriving from India as a precaution. China has also strengthened disease prevention measures in border areas and enhanced monitoring and testing capabilities. Previous Nipah outbreaks have been reported in West Bengal and the southern state of Kerala, with a major outbreak in Kerala in 2018 that killed at least 17 people. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.